Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Hunter or Nouveau ceiling fan. Yes, this is the one I restored. It is all nice and clean now. There's the fan. So with the light off, have aftermarket shades on it because the original one's broke in shipping. So here it is now. Testing down rod. Start it up on low. I don't really have a time to do like a full video of it. I don't know where my tripod is, but here it is. It's got that restaurant sway to it. Go to medium now. Go to high now. Show the light off. Can't really see. You can only really see with the light on because it's so dark over here. I have these dim bulbs to give it the effect here. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.